right. Switch the X and Y, right? I'll go to Desmos after. We'll type it in. We'll see if it's correct. We'll talk about the domain and range just so you get used to it. Okay, this is a fifth root. So now, okay, there are no other terms. Now, what I mean by that is you kind of have fifth root, and then you just have a bunch of stuff underneath. See how you don't have like a +2 over here or a -3 or anything like that? So I have to first attack the root, okay? So then I'm going to take, and if the root is, the radical is to the fifth power, then I'm going to multiply to the fifth. Yes? And so they inverse operate each other, and so I get x to the fifth is equal to y plus 3 over 2. And so the radicand just comes right out. As long as these two match, they inverse operate, okay? They're the identities of each other. Okay, so now you're back to the cross product property, which I said here, I don't want to switch, I'm going to straight multiply. Or you could think of it this way, if this 2 is a denominator, I'm going to multiply by 2 to both sides, right? But for those of you that want to cross product, you can multiply diagonally. So 2 times x to the fifth is 2x to the fifth. So whether you want the cross product property or you want to reciprocal, it's up to you. Like, the higher you guys get in math, there's many ways of solving it which are correct. Okay, so you don't have to solve it one way. Okay, equal, and then you're left, right, because these two then cross. This is y plus 3. And so now this is easy. You're just going to take this positive 3, inverse operate it, which means I'm going to subtract, because if you cross that equal sign, right, you take the opposite. So then 2x to the fifth minus 3 equal y. And so your inverse function is this. And then I'll go to Desmos right now. We'll type it in. And then I'm going to write on here, but let's find the domain and range just to get you guys better at it. Yeah, of course. Tell me when I get to the top. So tomorrow we'll go over question 2. I'll give you like 2 examples. You just have to get your bases the same. That's it. And then Thursday we'll do 2 of number 3. Yeah. But I'll still give you a exponential property problem still. Okay, can I shut it off? Yeah, okay.